everybody, we're at NASA 2018 at the Tenor Madness booth. Look at this gold plate, Tenor Madness Custom. What a beautiful saxophone. It looks almost like a rose gold. And real nice classic style octave there. This is the straight tone hole, Tenor Madness Custom. Beautiful engraving. And then check this out. People have been asking how to use their key leaves on the Tenor Madness Customs. You just arch them up like that. They go under these nice big key arms so easily. You can arch them up under the C sharp, arch them up under the E flat, and then that of course gives you your G sharp is open to dry because that's associated with the C sharp, and then you got the E flat as well. So all three sticky keys taken care of real fast just by arching them up under the key arms of the C sharp and the E flat like that. Thanks to Tenor Madness for making such gorgeous horns. Check them out, and man, they're doing some really cool stuff. Stay tuned with Tenor Madness for sure.